I got a puppet. I'll teach you how to do the game. First, pick a number, any, but it's on. I'm watching some puppet video like that. Oops, the camera. Oopsies. There's the camera. It's yep, that's that. I'll give him a shout out. And then let's pretend you said number 16. So there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if the marble was there and you win. And if the marble was not there, you lose. And I got it from Shopee or Lazada, and I'm ordering a new one. It's unicorn and color yellow, and this is my old one, and I have a circle puppet. I'll show it later after the end of the video. I'll show it the picture, and that's it. I gave it to someone else, my purple puppet, because she don't have a puppet. So I gave it to her, and like that. And it's kind of a little dirty, but I'll watch it in a TikTok video. And I have a TikTok account where you can see my other videos of me doing my puppeting, and some are win or lose, and yeah, this is my newest one, but I don't think you heard the sound. Comment if you heard or not. Then if you just finish this side, you can just flip it, and you can just do it in the other side. You can just keep doing it how you like to do. And there's enough of time doing this. You can bring it in the car or in the anywhere. What you like. It's easy to bring because it's so small. Like this is my leg and this is my puppet. Like that. It's so small. Like that. And you can bring it to the car or a road trip or in the plane. You can pop it anywhere. And besides, it's too small and kinda, this name is Puppet, and it is a fidget toy. If you heard the fidget cube thing, check it on Lazada or Shopee, then search fidgets. That will be the fidgets. Where is the puppet? Because the puppet is fidget, and so yeah. This is just my bowl. Just look, I have some key. It's a smaller than my puppet. Oh, so small. Wow, and it had diamond. Wow, it's too good. So I'll just get the remote. I will be watching some puppet video. I'm doing this puppet video. It's just loading. So, yeah. Pretend you said 30 L.
Is the round and this is the square, and so now I'm gonna open
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
and the
So,
and the letters,
20,
the numbers I mean, and this is the
4, 5, 6, 7. So if you don't have the 30, if the marble or the paper, because it's a paper, if the paper doesn't land in 30, you're not win. And you can just have no follow, okay, at all. So that's all. So bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel down below and like my video. Please get a golden button. So bye bye. Thanks for watching.